Okay, so good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Today we have music from our neighbors. I hope you like it. I don't. And today we're going to have our lesson about comparative adjectives. Now, here we have some examples. Bolt was faster yesterday. Baby Panda is prettier than Baby Yoda. Forrest Gump is more intelligent than, and you can use the adjective you prefer. Now, the adjectives are this: faster, prettier, and more intelligent. Okay, and we use them to compare to people, to things, to places. Okay, so right now we are going to focus on the form. Okay, so we form comparative adjectives depending on the number of syllables. Now, if you look at the first examples, we have smart and big. Smart and big only have one syllable. Smart, see? One. Big, only one syllable. It's like a syllable is a unit of sound. Smart, big. If you look at this, ugly, hungry, they have two syllables. Ugly, hungry. So, when we have adjectives with one syllable, what we're going to do is to add er. Okay, so we have smarter, bigger. Okay, so we add er. On the second group, we have ugly and hungry. So as I said, ugly and hungry have two syllables. Ugly, hungry. So that is the second group. Two syllables ending in the sound Y, like E, like hungry. Ugly. Okay? So two syllables, they end in the sound E, ending Y. So we have ugly. So we're going to do the Y, we're going to change by an I, E, R. Look, I, E, R. Uglier. Hungry is going to be hung. Then I change the Y for an I. Hungrier. Okay? So, heavy, heavier. Look, heavy. Two syllables. Heavy, heavier. Then the next group that we have is when we have two or more syllables. Okay? Two or more syllables. For example, we have timid. Look, timid has two syllables. Timid. Placid. Intelligent. Beautiful. Okay? And they do not end in Y. Okay? So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to write more or less. So we have timid. We're going to say more, or we're going to say less timid. The second one we have is placid. Okay? Well, we're going to say more or less placid. Intelligent, that has 3 syllables, the same. More or less intelligent. And for beautiful, the same thing. More or less beautiful. We have one more group. Good, bad, far. They are irregulars. That means that they don't follow a pattern. They don't follow a rule. So, for good, we are not going to say gooder. Gooder is not correct. What we're going to say is better. For bad is not better. For bad is going to be worse. And for far, that is distance, we have 2 options. Farther or further. Okay? So, these are the rules on how to form comparative adjectives. Let's review. When the adjective has 1 syllable, we are going to add er. Smart, smarter. Big, bigger. Tall, taller. Short, shorter. When the adjective has 2 syllables and end in y, we're going to delete the y and we're going to write ier. Ugly, uglier. Hungry, hungrier. Heavy, heavier. Happy, happier. When we have 2 or more syllables, we are going to write more or less. More timid, less timid. More placid, less placid. More intelligent, less intelligent. More beautiful, less beautiful. And we have those that are irregular. They do not follow any rules. So, good, better. Bad, worse. Far, farther, or further.